Welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to do a quick cut on these. These was done, I think it was done in April, and I haven't videoed them for a while, as you can see that. I've added some more soil to get them to multiply a bit. So I think it's only this one really is taken. Anyway, enjoy. Just be a quick one. Lawn's not doing too bad, look. These are cut, but it's been raining all day, so, and all night, so I'll try and probably do that tomorrow. Anyway, let's give these a trim. Faithful trade scissors. I'll just do one of them, and then I'll do a screenshot before and after. Actually, wait, I don't know if you can see this on film. I've just done my haircut. Let's see if I can get the phone to focus.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? All new growth here, look. Here. Zoom out a bit. You can see there's quite a lot of fresh roots, and this is probably the best one of the roots since I've added the soil, some more soil on the bottom, as you can see, because that's how much soil I've added. Look, I've done this so I can see if I can get it to multiply, and I have as well. So regenerating. So you can see all the new growth here, and on this one you can see it as well. What I've also did was I've basically thrown in loads of hose into it. I used one of these sticks here, and what I've done, not like that. Used a screwdriver as a. And let's see if I can get this to zoom in. There you go. And what I've done, I've gone on and put loads of hose. Basically hollow point it, as they say.